Hey, what's going on, subscribers? Welcome back to another brand new video from the Flaming Prophets YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you my new desk setup as well as new things that I bought. A really nice mechanical keyboard as well as a really cool gaming mouse, and also a really a large gaming mouse pad and a keyboard rest pad. I'll be showing you all of this. I'm honestly very impressed how it ended up looking, and I'll show you a video on exactly how it looks now. So I bought the Eagletec KG011 mechanical keyboard. It has blue switches, 104 lighted keys, natural ergonomic aluminum design. It honestly looks really cool in person. And this works for Windows and Mac as well. And it's normally used for gaming, but I use it for pretty much anything. It's honestly really cool. It's my first time using a mechanical keyboard, and I absolutely love it. And it looks amazing in the dark. It has blue light that glows in the dark. It looks really amazing. I can't wait to show you the video. And then the mouse, I'm going to show you the Amazon page. So this is a VersionTECH RGB gaming mouse. It literally changes colors as you use it. It's very ergonomic, so it's comfortable to your hand. It's USB wired, and it's actually has a really good texture on the wire, so it doesn't break easily or rip, anything like that. It's an optical mouse with 7 colors LED backlight. It has 4 DPI settings up to 2400 DPI, 6 program buttons for laptop, PC, computer games, and work. And I got the black one. There's other colors that you can get. It honestly looks amazing too. I can't wait to show you the video for that as well. And then the next thing I got was the gaming mouse pad. It's actually a large size. It pretty much covers all of the desk, and it's an ergonomic mouse pad. It kind of just makes everything much more softer. And with the keyboard, the mouse, and that, it makes it amazing how it looks. And I got a Galaxy themed mouse pad, so it looks amazing with everything on it, especially since it lights up the keyboard and the mouse. It looks amazing with the soft pad, and it's honestly very comfortable. So I'm very glad that I made this purchase. I know this is gonna be amazing for me in the long run. It's gonna boost my productivity. Sometimes it's good to spend on things that will make you more happy, and that's gonna boost your productivity overall. So that's exactly what I did. And there's actually a lot of issues when it comes down to people using computers for a long time, especially if you're in a career where you use a keyboard and a mouse a lot. So you have to make sure you protect yourself with ergonomic appliances such as this. This is something else that I bought. It's a Backlit keyboard rest pad and mouse silica gel wrist support with memory foam for computer and laptop. So overall, it makes it so that your wrists are very comfortable when you use a keyboard and a mouse. Alright, so enough talking. I'll go ahead and show it to you. And this is how the box looks like for the mechanical keyboard. These are some of the mouse features that you see there. Yeah, so that's the packaging that it comes with. It kind of explains everything. So you know exactly how to use the keyboard as well as the mouse. And yeah, it was a pretty interesting experience unboxing it. It has anti-ghosting keys, the keyboard. I'll actually read it to you. It's a wired USB keyboard. It's very comfortable. Typing experience for business, office, or home. The keyboard is illuminated, and it's also anti-ghosting. It has multiple lighting effects, breathing modes, and user adjustable brightness level, and it's actually made of aluminium, so it's a very solid construction. And the mouse, it has a 7-color breathing light, unique cracking design combining with 7 colors glaring LED light. Multiple colors are glowing at once, highlighted the atmosphere of gaming, and there's many options on the buttons that you can have, and you can actually program this to do whatever you want. So yeah, it's very comfortable, plug and play, easy to use, and universal compatibility. It works with Macs, Windows, anything like that. The keyboard has those stand-up things to make it a little bit more comfortable and easy to type on. especially with the gaming mousepad that's under it. And the gaming mousepad is very smooth. It's made so that you have accurate operation. It's made to be super fine fiber braided material. Its smooth surface allows more accurate mouse movement, and it's optimized for fast movement while maintaining excellent speed and control. No matter for your work or gaming, this mousepad brings you the satisfying user experience. It's non-slip, so it's very hard for the keyboard and mouse to get out of the mousepad because it kind of sticks to the table. It's a durable material, comfortable feeling, adopting high elasticity, natural rubber material. It's large and it's actually way bigger than I expected. And the keyboard sounds really nice as well. And I actually tried using it on a Mac and it actually worked. I don't think it said that it works for Macs, but for some reason it worked for me. So yeah, it's really cool. So you can use it for Macs or Windows, it doesn't matter what you use it for. It's an ergonomic mechanical keyboard, medium resistance, crisp but a quieter click sound, and precise tactile feedback for ultimate typing performance and fewer errors. I was actually impressed because I was actually able to type very accurately without even missing a key at all. Normally with most keyboards it's kind of easy for you to type another word that you didn't, another letter that you didn't mean to type. So, but with the tactile feedback it makes it very hard for you to press another key by accident. Overall, I love having this. It makes it so much better and much more comfortable than just using a normal old keyboard mousepad. It definitely adds to the user experience. I would definitely highly recommend you getting all of this that I have here. And I actually have a link in the description for all of these 4 items that you can get. It also helps the YouTube channel. So if you're considering getting any of this that I showed you here, just use the link in the description or in the comments, and it helps out the YouTube channel a lot. I get like a small commission if you buy these items, so that's a good way for you to support the YouTube channel, and it's honestly a very good buy in my opinion for anyone. So yeah, that's how it looks, and it even looks way better at night. I actually have a clip that I'm gonna show you. Alright, so here we go. Doesn't that look amazing? That's how it looks in the dark. You can see the color a lot better, and each key stands out, so it's very easy to type at night as well. And the mouse looks a whole lot better in the dark. So I absolutely love this new desk setup. I would definitely recommend it. I have all these 4 items linked down below in the description. It's actually not that expensive. The mouse is only like $10. The keyboard is only $41.99. That's actually very cheap. So thank you all so much for watching this video. Please subscribe. We make amazing financial content teaching you how to make profits consistently outside of your job. We'll be back with more investing videos pretty soon. So please stay tuned. Subscribe, like, and comment. What did you think of my new desk setup? Have you ever had a mechanical keyboard? Which one did you have? Are you considering buying any of these items? Let me know in the description.
Thank you all so much.